Hi everyone, Rachel here from 360 Life Safety to talk to you about our iTAK, or our Individual Trauma Aid Kit. This product is such a tremendous asset to add to any office setting, nursery, classroom, small business, personal training studio, or even your own home. The iTAK comes fully stocked with the ability to treat 1 to 3 people per kit, depending on the nature of the injuries. So let's dive in and take a look. The kit contains 2 different styles of tourniquets to stop the bleed in those limbs. You have your SWAT tourniquet, or your stretch, wrap, and tuck tourniquet. It's similar to a bicycle inner tube, and it has these pressure markings on it that indicate how far you need to stretch it to supply that sufficient pressure. The other tourniquet is our soft T, or our Special Operation Forces Tactical Tourniquet. This type of tourniquet is incredibly robust as it's military grade. The increased width of this tourniquet will also help reduce localized tissue damage, and it can be applied very quickly. You also have the ability to pack a wound with hemostatic gauze for areas that you can't tourniquet. This one's called Quick Clot. What makes hemostatic gauze so unique is that it's infused with an agent that promotes blood coagulation or clotting, assisting in hemorrhage control. You can also treat a compromising wound to the chest cavity with an occlusive seal. You see, if you have a penetrating chest wound or a hole in your chest cavity, air can be entering in an unnatural way, not through your nose or your mouth. So we need to restore that natural breathing process, and we can do so with an occlusive seal by placing it over a wound, just like a tire patch. The iTAK also comes with a variety of additional support components that include safety glasses, gloves, as well as a CPR mask and emergency blankets. An assortment of bandages also includes gauze, pads, co-bands, tape, and shears. A key component in our bandaging supply is a pressure bandage. The one we use is called an Israeli bandage, or an IZZY. What this product does for you, the responder, is that it frees you up from maintaining direct pressure, allowing you to check for any additional wounds or assisting other victims. And all of our iTAKs are packaged the exact same way and equipped with this inventory sheet located in the top of the iTAK, just like a box of chocolates. And with our strategically designed partitions, this gives you, the immediate responder, valuable time because you know where the products are located and they haven't shifted around. So there's no need to dig and waste valuable moments when you need to be attending that victim. The wall-mounted enclosure allows you to create that safety station along with an AED or fire extinguisher. So it's in one solid location, and you know it's not going to grow legs and walk off. Your iTAK will always be there for you when you need it. Just like a fire extinguisher, the iTAK comes with inspection card and these blue tamper tags. The blue tamper tag and the inspection cards ensure the kit's integrity and proper maintenance. All of our trauma aid kits have a unique serial number that upon registration provides you access to our training videos. Additionally, we'll send you an email when perishable items approach their expiration date, allowing you to always be prepared for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. You can learn more about our products at www.360lifesafety.com.